Hello and welcome to this video. If you've been overlooking Snapchat ads, 2025 is officially your wake-up call. We're in an age where attention spans are shorter than ever, and standing out in the digital ad space is no small feat. But here's the thing. Snapchat is quietly winning the attention war, especially when it comes to reaching Gen Z and younger millennials, two of the most active and valuable consumer segments today. Still think Snapchat is just for selfies and filters? Think again. Snapchat offers some of the lowest CPMs in the ad industry, often outperforming Meta, TikTok, and Google when it comes to cost effectiveness. And with users spending hours daily flipping through stories and discover content, there's a goldmine of ad potential just waiting to be tapped into. Let's be honest, if an ad doesn't grab me in the first 5 seconds, I'm swiping away. And I know I'm not alone. That's why mastering Snapchat ads is no longer optional. It's a must for digital marketers and entrepreneurs looking to grow brands efficiently. So, in this free step-by-step course, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to launch your very first Snapchat ads campaign, even if you've never run a paid ad before. We'll cover how to set up your Snapchat ads account, choosing the right campaign objective, building your audience and creatives, tips to optimize your ad performance for better results. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to run your own campaign and start seeing real results from one of the most underused ad platforms out there. All right, let's get started. To begin, open your browser and head over to ads.snapchat.com. This is Snapchat's business manager platform. It's where all your ads, targeting, reporting, and billing will live. Click on Get Started. From here, you have two choices. Either create a brand new business account or convert your existing Snapchat account into a business one. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. Let me quickly log in to my own account so we can dive right into the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Snapchat ads dashboard. Here's where all the magic begins. You'll be prompted to choose a campaign objective. This is basically telling Snapchat what you want your ad to achieve. Since we're starting fresh, let's begin with an objective focused on awareness or engagement. This is perfect if you're building a brand from scratch, you want to drive traffic to your website or app, or you're just testing the waters to learn the platform. From here, you'll have full control to shape your campaign around your goals, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in the next steps. If you're looking to build brand awareness and get people to interact with your content, whether it's watching a video, visiting your website, or just engaging, go ahead and choose engagement as your campaign objective. Snapchat gives you two paths here. You can manually build your campaign, customizing every detail, or you can select Smart Campaign, Automatic, and let Snapchat's AI optimize your ad setup. For beginners, I highly recommend starting with the automatic route. It's faster, easier, and gives you a solid foundation while you learn. Let Snapchat's AI do the heavy lifting. Once you choose the automatic setup, Snapchat's AI gets to work. Just make sure you've already completed your business account setup, including adding your business address. This step is required and ensures your campaigns comply with Snapchat's advertising policies. Now it's time to design your ad. Here's what you'll need to fill out. Brand name, the name of your brand or business. Headline, keep it short, catchy, and action-oriented call to action, CTA, something like shop now, get tickets, or learn more. Website, URL, the destination where you want users to land ad media. Upload your own image or video, or even import assets directly from your website. You also need to choose the specific goal for this ad, such as website visits, app installs, video views, catalog sales, lead generation. If you're just starting out and promoting a product or affiliate offer, I suggest going with website conversions to drive actionable results. And please, don't forget to give your campaign a clear and specific name. Avoid vague placeholders like XYZ. Use a naming convention that helps you keep track, like May 2025 sneaker promo. Now onto the money part. Your budget. Start small. You don't need to go all in. Set a daily budget of around $10 to $25. Snapchat will give you a minimum threshold, so let's go with $25 per day for this example. Choose a start date, and you can either let the campaign run continuously or set a fixed duration, like 7 days. As for bidding, Snapchat recommends automatic bidding for beginners, and I agree. Let the algorithm do the work until you have enough data to run manual tests later. This is where Snapchat becomes a powerful advertising tool. You can laser target your audience using age and gender location, country, city, radius targeting, interests and behaviors, device types, Android versus iPhone, device models, OS versions. Want to reach 18 to 24-year-olds who love sneakers and live in New York City using iPhones? You can do that, down to the smallest detail. Snapchat's targeting tools in 2025 are incredibly advanced, giving you precision and control over who sees your ads and when. Snapchat gives you incredible control over your ad targeting. You can narrow it down by device type. Want to show your ad only on Samsung A50 devices? You can do that. Age range. For example, target users age 25 to 44. Location. This is especially useful for international targeting, dropshipping, or niche product promotions. If you're manually building your ad, you'll also unlock more audience filters, like interests, lifestyles, and purchase behavior. Let's say your niche is fitness. You could target people interested in fitness and wellness, or those who shop for supplements. This works best for website conversions, but even for brand awareness, a focused audience improves performance. Now it's time to create the actual ad. Click Upload Media. And this is where Snapchat stands apart from TikTok or Facebook. You can upload from your device, import from your website, use their built-in asset library. Here's a key tip. Don't make it look like an ad. Snapchat users scroll fast, and overly polished ads often get skipped. Your creative should feel native, like it belongs in someone's story. Hook in 3 seconds. Start with bold text like, "Don't try this if you want to stay broke." It's emotional, fast, and grabs attention. Show the result. Demonstrate the product or outcome in action. Call to action. Use strong CTAs like swipe up to learn more or tap to download free. You can use vertical videos, animated graphics, or a high-quality photo. Just keep it fast, raw, and emotional. Even if you don't have editing skills, Snapchat has your back with its instant ad builder and creative library to help you craft attention-grabbing content. You'll also see a real-time preview of how your ad will appear on users' phones, so make sure everything looks great before moving forward. Install the Snap Pixel, very important. Before hitting Publish, you must install the Snap Pixel. Why? Because the Pixel is what tracks conversions, purchases, form fills, app installs, swipe ups, sign ups, and more. This helps Snapchat optimize your ads for better performance. To install, go to Events Manager from your dashboard, click Create New Event Source, choose Web, and follow the setup. If you're using Shopify, WordPress, ClickFunnels, or another major platform, there are native integrations available. You can also manually paste the Pixel base code into your website's header. Once it's installed, you'll be able to monitor activity and conversions in real time from the Events Manager. Once all your ad settings, targeting, and creatives are ready, just hit Publish. Your campaign will go live based on the schedule you selected earlier. You can return to your ads dashboard to monitor impressions, swipe ups, conversion rates, cost per result. As you collect data, Snapchat will begin optimizing automatically, but you can also return to tweak audience settings, creatives, or bidding strategies based on performance. All right, let's just name our pixel XYZ, the same as our campaign, and click Create. Now the pixel is set up, we're heading back to our campaign. Here's our ad account dashboard with all the custom conversions visible. You can create new custom conversions here if needed. Make sure you've assigned the pixel to your campaign. Now, let's go back to the ad campaign setup. Here we are, ready to personalize the ad once more. Double-check all the details, and when you're confident everything is correct, simply click Publish. Now your campaign is live, but don't just set it and forget it. After about 24 to 48 hours, head back to your dashboard and start monitoring your KP is. Keep an eye on swipe up rate. How many users are engaging? Cost per click? The lower, the better conversion rate. The most important metric. Are people actually taking action? Rapid fire final tips. Before we wrap up, creativity is king. Always test at least 3 different ad variations from the start. Keep your videos under 10 seconds. That's when the call to action really hits. Don't scale your campaign too fast. Let the Snapchat algorithm learn for a minimum of 3 days before making any major changes. Use UTM parameters on your links for detailed performance tracking. That's a wrap on this free Snapchat ads course. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.